Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can call in the Google Chat. So to open Google Chat, first you need to open the Gmail apps on your phone. So let's open Gmail in here. Sorry. Okay, so here's the Gmail app, and if you cannot see the chat options here on the Gmail, that means you need to enable it first. You can tap on the three lines icon on the left corner in here, top left corner, and then go to the Gmail settings, click on your email's name, and then here scroll down and you'll find the general section, and this is the chat option. So you need to click on this checkbox to show the chat tab. Okay, the Gmail will be restarting, and now let's make a call in Google Chat. You can click on the chat tabs in here at the bottom, and then you can just find the person that you want to call. You can here click on the search column at the top to find the one that you want to call. You can type in their email address, or you can also, if there's that person is already here, you can just click on one of the chat or on that person's conversations with you, and you'll see at the top beside the names of that person there will be this phone icon that you can click. So when you click that, this red button to hang up, and here you'll see that the call is missed. You can try to call them again by clicking on this phone icon at the top. So that's all for me. That's how you can make a call in the Google Chat. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and enjoyed this video. So don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. But if you have any question, you can leave a comment down below. And don't forget to click on the thank and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.